Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon and poppy seed cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into it place your butter, light brown sugar and granulated white sugar and beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your egg and mix that in until it's fully incorporated. Not forgetting to also add in your vanilla extract. Just mix until it's incorporated. Then you can give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl. Then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, starting with the flour and salt, but not forgetting to add in your baking powder, as well as the white chocolate chips and the poppy seeds. And then I also added in some candied lemon peel, and just mix that on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium. And once you have a dough form, you can stop. You don't need to overmix it, you don't want to overwork it, it will become a tough texture. Then just give the bowl one final scraping down, and this will just help to incorporate those last bits that may not have been fully incorporated from earlier on. For me, it's around the top of the bowl and sometimes around the bottom of the bowl. It just depends, but on this occasion it was mostly around the top. Once you've got your dough, you can take your scoop and scoop up your cookies. So just fill the scoop and get it as equal as or level as possible. Then take the dough and flatten it between your hands and just create like a little dent in the centre, and this will act as a little well to hold in some lemon curd. I'm using homemade, but feel free to use store-bought if that's what you can get your hands on. Close the lemon curd in there, roll it into a ball shape and then place onto a baking tray. Feel free to slightly flatten it as well if you like, as it will spread but not a super massive amount in the oven. But again, that's up to you. Then repeat the process until you have all of your cookie dough used up. Once it's all used up, you can then go ahead and place into your preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. Seeing as there's no additional decoration needed for these cookies, feel free to use them straight from the oven. I like to let them cool a little bit, but that's completely up to you. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.